Go!
Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good afternoon and
Good night. You guys can see what he's right in front of me. He's just walking out the room. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Can you guys tell that I'm doing good? Always doing good. Or when I'm not doing good, I'm doing good, okay? But I'm doing good, like for real, real, real. We're about to head out. We're going on an adventure today. So, we like to take you guys along with us. So, we have no idea what to expect as usual on our adventures. So, today is just going to be another day of discovery, another day of taking you guys along with us on this journey called life. And I have a pretty little girl in front of me. A pretty girl in front of me. Hi, you're so beautiful in your red. Say hello. Cuckoo, good girl. And give them a kiss. Mwah. What? Red. What color is this? Red. What color is this? Black. Good girl. What color is this? This. What color is this? Good girl. What color is this? Green. Anyway, you guys, like I said, we're heading out on an adventure right now. So we're all dressed. The aim was to leave here at 10 o'clock. But of course, I woke up real early this morning. I didn't feel like going back to sleep. So I got up and I did all that I had to do. I packed bags. I made some snacks. I made sandwiches for lunch. I put water in and everything. Got both kids ready. Got myself ready. They woke up long after me. So I'm like 20 minutes in advance. However, my friend Danielle is coming on today's adventure with us. So she's driving her car here, park, and then come with us. Oh, see a message just come in, say I'm here. So she's outside. So you guys, let's go enjoy today. Have a good day. Lots of love and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Say hi to the face.
Wagwan, bye bye.
Exactly. We're heading out, right? Yeah. Honey, come say morning to the face real quick.
See Wagwan, bye bye.
yes, wagwan. A wagwan, and what it means? You tell me
Hello?
things I don't know. It means hello.
Yeah.
And what's going on?
Papa say.
All right, go on. You're ready to go with your antics. Go, Ty. We are heading out right now. Go. Go, go, go. All right, you guys. Later. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, so we got to our destination. Danny's there. Say hello, Dan.
Hi.
You guys, we got to our destination. We have a few activities to do. However, what we want to do first doesn't start until 12 o'clock. It's 15 minutes before 12 o'clock. So we decided that we're going to come and eat lunch first. So we all bring sandwiches. So we're here eating. Babe and Sarah is there in the car. They already ate. Babe, you ate? You ate enough? We're here eating and playing ABC fast or slow until the time goes by. So we are here. We're going to do a cave tour first, and then we have a bunch of ziplining activities to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. I'm here having blended oats and banana.
Mama, what else we need to find with V? I mean a V.
No, it's my first time. I've never done it.
How many to
Get over my fear.
Mama, what are they saying we need?
You find thing? Thing is the last one.
No, we are.
You find
Boy, girl.
animal, place,
Animal.
food, thing.
Animal.
Animal with V.
Oh, yeah, V. Animal.
Vulture.
There you go.
Vulture. Vo. Voto, c'est quoi voto? Yeah, but I'm asking what exactly. Explain. That's what Tyler just said. Jankro, we call it in English. Drunk, dirty drunk. Hey, if a Jamaican never cuss you and call you drunk, no, they cuss you, know. Don't let nobody call you voto in French. C'est ça, Tyler? Voto. So if you want to cuss somebody classy in English, you can call him voto. They won't know you're drunk.
Mama, what else?
You need a place.
Place in V. Vancouver.
Vancouver. Venezuela.
Mm-hmm. Vietnam. Oui, baby. Anyway, you guys, we're going to enjoy chilling for the next 10 minutes. Ah, Thailand come true. Villefranche, man.
What else we need to find? Food?
Food with V. Alright, you guys are heading down the cave right now.
Attention à vos têtes, les grandes et les grands. Attention, tu te tiens à la main. Et après, il y aura une petite chambre pour les petits. Voilà, chacun la sienne, les grands.
C'est pour ça que les cartes, là où tu vas dedans. Sur la tête.
Down in the cave we go. Oh, Dad, look at that.
Je vais d'abord faire mon Covid et après. Retrouver l'hymne européen, je vais essayer. Ça vous rappelle quelque chose? La suite dans 3 mois.
Hanging down, babes, the inside of them is like empty, so it's like a straw. So it's just, it only have the outside frame. That's why you hear the banging sound earlier when he hit the one up top. But yeah, this story is very interesting. So we're still on the journey. Tyler is enjoying it, having fun there. Wow, you guys, look at that. That's water.
Yeah, they put a little color in the water.
Where?
5 back the water. 5K down the village.
Really?
Yeah. 5K. That's
So they know where it exit.
Mama, go and have the world complete. Yes. Good job. Mama, Mama, you're a skilled baby.
It's not so bad after all. You stuck. Go, Tyler, go. Very good, Ty. Go. Babe and Sarah is down there watching us. Bravo, Ty. Go, Dan Dan. Go, Ty. Balance, reflex. And the camera catch you just in time. Tyler, pay attention. You're going next. I have to take time to talk because Sarah is right there. And I don't want her to turn around and see me. Go, Ty, go. Shh. Go, Ty. Look at Tyler. All right, go on through jelly legs. Tyler shaky like Jello. Go on through Jello. Go on through Jello, Jello. Tyler, guess what? You see those kids on the other side? They're gonna finish and come back and catch you up and pass you out. Go if you don't go faster. Now, go, Dan, go. 3. Woo! She's gone. Ty, your turn, Ty. Go, Ty. Go. You remember what to do? You take off, Ty. Take off the thing and put the big one on the cord. You remember? Go back up on the step. Voila. Put the big one up. clip it off. Clip it off. Look, the big one is hooked here. Look, right. Voila. Put it on. Turn it around. Right. Okay, now put that on top of it. One hand, both hands tight. Ready? Go. Oh my.
We need to hurry up before the reaching passport. And together, go to the black one before Mama. Who is this line?
You hear your loud son?
Load like myself. My God.
You alright?
Yes, I'm almost there.
And together, go to the black one.
Oh, you can hear your loud son. Yeah. Here's the loud one.
Auntie,
Ty-
go to the black one.
Tyler, show me. Show me you're not only loud and you also have skills. Because for now you have no skill, you're only loud. Allez.
Go to the black one.
Tyler, she go.
No, like that.
Tyler, she won't go alone.
Early. Mama, look at me in the tunnel, okay?
Okay.
Allez, go Tyler avant que maman te rattrape. Maman, t'as presque rattrapé là. Parce que tu fais que parler, regarde, tu fais que parler, tu te concentres pas. Allez, 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 maman, elle est juste derrière toi, t'as rattrapé.
Go. You're going down front ways.
No, he is very little, he can turn there.
It doesn't even allow you to slide.
I can hear Tyler had stopped. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Yeah, check. Mama,
Oi.
here.
Oh, they're showing you that you're not supposed to go headways.
Yeah.
They don't see I'm tall. I can't go in this thing front
Yeah,
ways.
Papa, so we can see.
I'm a very tall girl, you know.
Là, quand t'as fait, c'est mal fait.
You guys, I haven't talked to you guys because I've been busy having so much fun. Look at my girl on my back. We just finished ziplining. Danny was the champion of zipline.
With my
Yes, Danny got 2 bruises, but it was all worth it. Listen, I struggled. My little wobbly hands just be shaking. But we had so much fun. We had so much fun. No dance. You had
It was
fun.
too much- yeah. We have to do
We
it
had
again.
so much fun. And we stop and get a little ice cream break with the kiddos. Sarah still have her ice cream in her mouth. Tyler had fun. Tyler had fun too. Tyler couldn't do the last zip line because it was for the adults. So Danny and I did that one. Babe just gone to see if he find a map because we're going on a little trail. About 45 minutes walk. So he's going to see if he get a map to find. See if we know which direction exactly we need to go. So the day is going well. We're having so much fun. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's vlog. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's vlog. So let's continue with the rest of
Mama,
today.
stay here. I'm going to do something.
Okay, you guys, so we're doing this trail, and along the trail, Tyler get an activity to do where he is he's finding clues of
Allez, show.
things to build a word
Look
along the
around
way.
you.
And there he is. He's right over there in the bushes. So he's having these clues like this little man along the way. So he's finding these men with numbers on them. Then when he finds the number, there is something around the man that he have to find. That's where he find it in the bush over there. So that's a clue to give him whatever letter it is for him to fill in the word. So he'll do this along the entire trail. Sun is hot, but we're doing the do.
Yeah.
Yes, hot, and you're doing what? Eating, huh? Papa is eating you. Where's my glasses though?
We have.
Kiosk. Okay, let's try to find the end of the wall.
Did you stamp it?
Did you stamp it?
Yes, I did. 3 more letters.
All right, you're doing good. So this is the trail that we're on, and of course, y'all know he's leading. So we're trying to keep up with Tyler. There you go. Oh! What a long, good day that was. We have been back home, and can you believe that I got home and I gave the boys a haircut? Baby's on the barbecue. Hi, husband. Baby's on the barbecue, and we're outside having dinner. Let's say hello to the foodie. Hey, foodie. Hi, foodie. Hey, foodie. Ah. If you follow Sarah, she'll eat the meat alone and leave everything else in her plate. So we're having dinner right now. Tyler, say hello. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
He's so into the food. So that's what we're doing to end the day. The best way, always.